Who is this?
You're home early, Agent Graves.
Where's my husband?
Located in your sister CIA black site is detainee number 0912749.
Hidden in his fake tooth is a file. You are going to steal it for me.
You have 9 hours to get me what I want. If you want to see your husband alive,
I want proof of life.
once you have the file.
No. Proof of life or he's already dead and this phone call is over.
Avery!
David, listen to me!
There's your proof.
You touch me again, I will break every bone in your fucking body.
There's a phone booth in the Gaiava alleyway. It will ring at midnight. If you don't answer it with the Canary black file in hand,
Your husband dies. Failure to comply, as well as any involvement from your agency, will result in his execution.
Hello?
Serena, it's me. I need a favor.
Fuck your favors. A favor is a ride to the airport, not the usual bullshit you ask me to do.
You're a hacker. Don't pretend just because you got a real job, you suddenly have morals.
I'm at work. Call one of your agency hacks.
No, this needs to be off the books. Are you gonna do it, or am I telling the Russian FSB about the time you hacked their servers? Good. I need you to ping the location of the last incoming call to this cell phone.
Hang on. The phone's a burner. It's on the south side, but I need more time to triangulate the exact location. As soon as I have it, I'll text you the address. So are we good?
Hurry.